AP KYIV, Ukraine. The second time the facility has been targeted this month, the Russian military announced on Monday that it shot down a Ukrainian drone as it approached an airfield deep within Russia. If drones can get so far into Russia, it raises concerns about the strength of Russia's air defenses. 3 personnel were killed by debris at the Engels airbase, which is home to the Tu-95 and Tu-160 nuclear-capable strategic bombers that have been used to launch raids on Ukraine in the 10-month-old conflict, according to the Russian Defense Ministry. Engels is situated more than 600 kilometers, more than 370 miles, east of the Ukrainian border in the Saratov region of Russia on the Volga River. Speaking to Ukrainian television on Monday, Ukrainian Air Force spokeswoman Yurii Ihnat did not specifically mention his nation's involvement in the incident, but rather stated, "These are the repercussions of Russian aggression." The Russians were gravely incorrect, he said, if they believed that the war wouldn't harm them behind their borders. Russian drone shipments have never been acknowledged by Ukrainian authorities. Regarding past high-profile attacks, such as the drone strikes on Russian military bases earlier this month, they have remained vague. According to Kirill Tymoshenko, the deputy head of Ukraine's presidential office, at least 4 civilians have been hurt in Ukraine during the past 24 hours as a result of Russian bombardment of 5 locations in the country's southeast. Overall, from Sunday night into Monday, the amount of shelling has been considerably less intense. Russian soldiers stopped shelling the Dnipropetrovsk area, which borders the partially controlled southern districts of Kherson and Zaporizhia, for the first time in weeks, according to its governor Valentin Reznichenko. Since the Russians began bombarding the districts around the city of Nikopol, this is the third tranquil night in 5.5 months, Reznichenko wrote. The Russian-controlled Zaporizhia nuclear power station is situated across the Dnieper River from Nikopol. The city of Kramatorsk, where Ukrainian forces are based, was attacked by Russian forces on Sunday. According to local authorities, 3 missiles damaged residential structures and struck an industrial site, but no one was hurt. Battles are still going on around the city of Bakhmut, which Russian forces have been attempting to take for weeks in order to strengthen their hold on Ukraine's east, in the partially occupied eastern Donetsk region. Russian forces are suffering tremendous losses and medical facilities are inundated with wounded soldiers in the nearby Luhansk area, which is nearly totally under Moscow's control, said Serhiy Haidai, the governor of Luhansk, on Ukrainian television on Monday. According to Haidai, the Russian army is redeploying paratroopers to the area from the Kherson region. Several people were killed and many more were injured in a horrific attack on Kherson on Saturday. Kherson was retaken by Kyiv's forces last month. According to Yanushevich on Monday, locals are lining up to donate blood for the injured.